Recommender systems will analyze the data and will suggest the most suitable products or services to users by predicting users' interest in an item based on related information about the items or user-based intent. Easy words. The recommender systems will analyze your behavior, will analyze social media data, will analyze IoT data, will analyze geographical data, but not only from you, but also from other users. Because what might be interesting for other users who are similar to you might be interesting also for you. If you were now in my database, the recommender system would segment you according to your geographical origin. You're from China, you're buying you will be probably also interesting for you, your colleague, or for you, because you have probably similarly buying habits. A recommendation would be done based on your behavior, but also similar behavior of your colleagues.
There are different types of personalized recommendation. The easiest one or basic one is content-based filtering, and the most sophisticated one is collaborative filtering. Content-based filtering is a recommendation to a focal customer based on similarities between items previously purchased and the a priori preferences the consumer gives as an initial seed or through purchase history. For example, Pandora Radio or Groupon, customers give first preference of categories or products which they are interested in. The advantage is that the model does not need any data about other users, since the recommendations are specific to this user.
You say, I like house music. The system will start to recommend you based on your preferences. This is the beginning. But then, once you have bought, there will be actualization of the information based on what you buy and your preference. The longer the relationship duration is, the more the system will use your purchase data, usage data. Because actually it makes more sense to actualize the information, the recent information, than to use only the preference. Groupon, community-based deal, generally you start with, I'm interested in good deals for restaurants. Or I'm interested in deals for technologies. So you get recommendations for that, but then with the time, if you not only buy beauty services, restaurants and technologies, if you're interested in leisure trips, then the system will take into account more your purchase data. So it's easier to make it. The collaborative filtering is the more efficient way to personalize, because it uses not only your data, but also community data in order to personalize the relationship. Collaborative-based filtering. Recommendation will be done based on your user profile. That's your data, your purchase data, your items that you have bought, but also on community data, similarity. The recommendation will be done, as you can see, if you bought product C, this is called item-based filtering. Item A might be also interesting. If you like books about customer relationship management, you might be interested in my book, but also in books similar to this. The books about loyalty might be related to customer relationship. So this is item-based filtering. This is combined also with user-based filtering. So it's users who bought products B and C. So other books about customer relationship management might be similar to you. So books they bought in the past might also be recommended to you. This is what is done by Amazon.
For example, if you buy Management de la Fidélisation, so my book, then you will get recommendations also about other books about satisfaction and loyalty, relationship marketing, and any other books about customer relationship management. That is, books that other buyers bought and which are similar to the topic of customer loyalty management.
Then there's a high correlation with similar articles. So this is item-based recommendation and other customer preferences,
which are similar to yours. It's called user-based filtering.
If you buy actually C, but other customers like A and B, so these customers are similar to you, they have the similar preferences, you get a recommendation for A. Because similar customers like A, and as there's a high correlation between you and the other customers, there's a recommendation based on customer type.
Collaborative filtering is thus a double-based recommendation based on item-based recommendations, that is what you like as a customer, and based on user-based recommendation, that is what the community likes.
So This is frequently bought by other customers. This is what when you buy on Amazon. You will see what other customers buy. This is a community-based correlation or recommendation. And this is based on what you bought. So other items that you bought in the past are highly similar to items that you might be interested in the future.
So let's see some examples.
If you buy Chinese food, the recommendation will be done on other Chinese foods, and the recommendation will also be done by other Chinese customers who bought similar products. So it's a double recommendation based on your behavior, on items that you bought, but also based on behavior of the community, Chinese community,
who is buying similar items. Or another example at Amazon, if you buy Management de la Fidélisation, there will be first an item-based collaborative filtering based on similar items to the book Management de la Fidélisation about relationship marketing, customer relationship management, customer experience management, and there will be a user-based collaborative filtering based on books that have been bought or viewed to by other clients having bought Management de la Fidélisation, thus the primary book the customer is looking for.
This is what is done by Amazon. Also, Last.fm is a radio called Choose a Song to listen on the internet, the streaming. For example, you listen to Ninth Symphony of Beethoven, classic music. Then you might get other symphonies of Beethoven, item-based recommendations. But if you like Beethoven, then you might be interested also in other companies. You get recommendations from other companies, but also other community members who listen to classical music, listen perhaps to Mozart. And so you get also recommendations. Other users listen to Mozart or Haydn or other classical music creators. If you like, you start to listen to house music, and then you would get other house music recommendations. But if other community users listen to house music, like for example rap, then you would get also recommendations for rap, which is, I would not say similar, but right, based on electronic instruments. Or if you start with Avicii, then you get recommendations for David Guetta or for any other electronic music produced, coming from similar items or similar composers and similar users. What are the advantages of personalization? That we need individual needs, reduce the research efforts. So if we get personalized offers, we don't have to search on our own the products, which reduces our cognitive energy and increases the comfort for us. We don't have to search anymore the adequate product for us at the right moment. We have a recommendation of the best fitting product to our needs at the right moment. For example, if you're hungry, it would be good to have recommendations for lunch at the right moment, at the right area. Here in the center area, we would get a recommendation based on our health, based on our geographical location, based on our preference, behaviors, and what we like on social media. But it reduces research effort. It's convenient because we get offers in a proactive manner. We have more satisfaction, more customer loyalty, the relationship marketing paradigm. If we have accumulated satisfaction, then we will have more feelings of trust. Loyalty will increase, attitudinal loyalty, so feelings of brand attachment. Also, behavioral loyalty, that is, we continue to repurchase. With the time, we might do engagement, so positive word of mouth, for example, positive word of mouth communication. And on the long term, customer lifetime value will increase also, because if we stay loyal, then also customer lifetime value will increase. And on the aggregate base, customer equity will also. This related to supplementary purchase, but also cross purchases, cross-selling, but perhaps also upsell. With the time, you might prefer more qualitative products for higher prices. So it leads to more differentiation, loyalty, and customer engagement.